Keeping things on track. Mastering the art of staying focused. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you navigate the complexities of the English language with ease. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as useful in daily conversation as it is in professional settings: keeping things on track. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your English communication to sound more like a native speaker. At its core, keeping things on track means to ensure that a plan, activity, or situation is progressing as expected without any unnecessary deviations or delays. It's all about maintaining focus and direction towards a predetermined goal or outcome. Imagine you're working on a project with a strict deadline. To keep things on track, you'd need to manage your time efficiently, prioritize tasks, and perhaps most importantly, avoid distractions that could derail your progress. This phrase encapsulates the essence of staying disciplined and committed to achieving a set objective. Keeping things on track isn't limited to any specific context. It's versatile. You can use it in workplace meetings to discuss maintaining the timeline and quality of projects, educational settings where teachers and students aim to cover syllabi without falling behind, personal life when talking about personal goals like fitness or learning a new skill and staying focused on them. Understanding the environments in which this phrase applies will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to participate in various conversations. Let's put keeping things on track into action with some examples. 1. In a team meeting, we need to assign clear responsibilities to everyone to keep things on track for the upcoming product launch. 2. During a group study, let's create a study timetable to keep our revision on track before exams. 3. Planning a personal goal. Setting monthly milestones is crucial for keeping my fitness journey on track. Seeing the phrase in different contexts helps solidify your understanding and improves your ability to use it fluently in conversation. We hope this explainer has shed light on the meaning and versatility of keeping things on track. Whether you're aiming to excel in your professional life, achieve academic success, or accomplish personal milestones, mastering the use of this phrase will undoubtedly aid in expressing your determination and focus. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language learning adventure in our next video.